Alright guys, so before I start the video, I'm gonna go ahead and give the Z a quick wash, because if you guys live in California, you guys know we got hit with a rainstorm pretty bad, and shit messed up the Z. And because I really haven't washed the Z like in probably like 2 weeks, but yeah, it's just bad. Look at that. All bad. But that's why right now I'm gonna go ahead and give the Z a quick wash, and after that I'm gonna go ahead and install my hood pins, because that's probably one of the reasons why I haven't really drove the Z, because I'm really scared of my hood just flying up in the air and hitting my windshield and cracking my hood. I got myself some hood pins for my new carbon fiber hood. I think these are just mandatory. Aftermarket hoods, they tend to just be very weak point on the latch. So what's better than getting yourself some hood pins to make sure your hood is actually ain't going nowhere. But yeah, today we're gonna be installing these. That's why I gave the Z a quick wash, just because when I like to install things, I like to see my work and how perfect it is. But yeah guys, I'm gonna show you guys how to install hood pins if you guys are interested to do it for yourself. Stay tuned for the video, and before I start this video, make sure you give this video a huge thumbs up. Make sure you guys subscribe. We just hit 10K on the channel. I really appreciate that from you guys. You know, say much love from me. I also had these same type of hood pins on my old hood, and I've been running them for 3 years already, and I didn't have one single problem. This is the brand if you guys are interested in getting some. I know there's different types, but this is the code for the ones I got. 3 years with no problems. I would definitely recommend it to you guys. Pretty much for the tools that you need, it's gonna be a Dremel and this set. You don't need this exact set, but I mean, it's better to have more than less. Like, you could get a Dremel for like 30 bucks at Harbor Freight. I just already had a Dremel, so from the last time I did this. All right, so this is step number one. This is just a test fit. It has 13 threads here, 13 on that side. All right, so this is what I'm talking about. I put a little bit of a jet sealer. You can use toothpaste or whatever, but I just use this one because I had it in hand right now. I set it down evenly, 13 threads, 13 on that side too. And this is just a test fit. It's not completely done. As you guys can see right there, like it's hitting my pipe. But what I'm about to do right now is I'm about to close the hood and see where it hits on top right here, and that's where I'm gonna drill upwards, and that's where I'm gonna start my hood pin all around. So wish me luck, because this is the most nerve-wracking part ever, is closing the hood and making sure that it's aligned straight up. And if it's not, then my hood might be up for sale, because yeah, I fucked up. So as you guys see there, that's my first mark right here, and then my second mark is up here. So that's where I'm gonna go up and drill. That's just a quick tip for you guys that are doing the hood pins. You can either use toothpaste like I said, and then that's gonna give you your guide to drill where you need to go. after playing around with it, you're gonna want it to get to this point here that comes out of the hood. Why? Because you want the hood pin to be like that. You guys get what I mean? And then you're gonna draw your outline of the bottom base onto the tape, and then boom, you got your own little hood pin. And then you got to make sure that obviously it aligns with your first one, like this one here. Boom, boy. You gotta do what you gotta do. Cause literally it's like 6 p.m. and this shit got dark here in Cali. So the next thing we're gonna do is I'm gonna punch out the holes here and then apply the under bracket, and that should wrap it up. Pretty simple, easy setup. Bro, you guys ready to see the final product? Check it out, man. I've always liked my car with hood pins. Cause look, bro, this shit looks badass. I know it's not a big difference, but I mean, hood pins, it gives it more of an aggressive look. And especially with the fresh carbon fiber hood, man, I love this look. But yeah, I just came here to show you guys because I forgot to end the video, but I just came to show you guys the final product. Peep that out. Very nice quality too, man. I suggest you guys, if you guys have aftermarket hoods, you guys get yourself some hood pins as well, because that shit will come in clutch when you go in high speeds or, you know, just cruising, because you never know. That shit is not safe at all. The ones with an aftermarket latch right here, that's just kind of like fiberglass put together. But yeah, guys, I feel much safer with this here. A little walk around of the Z. It's a little dirty because it's been raining. But yeah, guys, look at that. Fresh as always. Damn, is it a show car or is it a race car? Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think this is. Not gonna cap, I built a badass car. Peep that side view. Sheesh. But yeah, guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give this video a huge thumbs up and make sure you subscribe. I know I haven't been posting a lot lately. That's just because I've been working hella right now. 2 jobs, you already know what it is, to support the dream. But if you guys could do me a favor, make sure you guys subscribe. Make sure you like this video because it helps me out a lot. And yeah, comment down below any ideas you guys want to see in the near future, and I for sure will do that.